STELLARIS Confocal Microscopes reimagine the acquisition workflow with the new, smart user interface Image Compass. Simply describe your sample to the system. The setting up of an experiment is done with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Let's have a look at an example. We want to image a sample with 5 fluorophores. All you need to know is which fluorophores are present in your specimen. First, you select the fluorophore from the list at the top of the screen. With just one click, you drag and drop your selection into one of the detection channels. Image Compass automatically adjusts the excitation and detection parameters of the channels to your fluorophore combination for optimal results. Done in just a few seconds. Switch on the live view and check the result. An image showing rich information, detail, and contrast. With very little training, the intuitive Image Compass enables you to successfully run experiments from setup to result. All in one screen with all the needed controls at your fingertips. When required, you can further adjust parameters with easy access to gain or laser intensity from the control panel. The live view gives you full control of your changes. Settings can be saved at any time to evaluate other samples with exactly the same parameters. Image Compass saves you time and adapts to your sample preparation. It lets you focus on your experiment and gives you the productivity to do more. It's simple, even for complex experiments.